What are the suggested reasons for population explosion? So students, the next question is, what could be the reasons for a sudden increase in the population or population explosion? So we all know that India is known for its population size. India is the world's second most populous country. The first one is China, and it accounts for around 17.4% of the world's population. Now this increase in the population or population explosion is due to following reasons. Due to increase in the or advancement in the medicinal fields, the death rate has been reduced. That is mortality. Mortality represents death rate. The death rate has been reduced. It includes maternal mortality and infant mortality. So in earlier, due to less advancement in the science, technology or in the medicinal field, many infants would die soon after birth. But now due to advancement in science and technology and in the medicinal field, the infant mortality rate has been reduced. And the same thing is in the case of maternal mortality rate. So maternal mortality rate represents reduction in the death rate of the mother soon after the pregnancy. Now another reason for population explosion is increase in the average lifespan. So here we can see a chart. As there is an advancement in the year from 1954 to 2014, the average lifespan has also been increased. So since the average lifespan is increased, an individual, the reproductive age, an individual can fully live the reproductive age and therefore produce large number of offsprings. So even increase in the average lifespan is also considered as one of the cause for the population explosion. Increase in the number of people in the reproductive age. So generally the members in a population, they are grouped under three categories. One is pre-reproductive age group, which includes infants and the children, reproductive age group, and the third one is the post-reproductive age group. So if the members in the reproductive age group are more, that means such a population have more chances of increasing in its size. So in our country, there are more individuals in this age group, that is reproductive age group. So this is also one of the reasons for the population explosion. The next 2 points are interrelated. One is the better public health care and greater medical attention. The other one is advancement in the medical technology and better sanitary conditions. So as science and technology has been advanced, people are aware about how to improve the health. So by having proper nutrition, following healthy habits and a proper routine with physical activities like exercises, all these keeps a person fit and healthy. So this has improved in a better way to have a good health, and therefore an individual lifespan has been increased. And so all these points are interconnected. So having a public health care, greater medical attention, increase in the medical technology, and following a better sanitary conditions all leads to good health. So if there is a good health, it increases the average lifespan of an individual, and therefore in turn it leads to population explosion. So having better sanitary conditions helps us to get rid of many diseases. So earlier there were no good sanitary conditions, so people were more prone to diseases. And since there was no advancement in the medicinal field, the diseases were not cured completely and people used to die due to the infection. Now as the science and technology has been advanced or medicinal field have been advanced, we know how to cure the disease, how to prevent the disease, and therefore how to maintain a good health. So these are some of the reasons which can cause population explosion.